Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your XM account's password. First of all, open the XM app on your smartphone, and once you're inside the login page, tap on the Forgot Your Password link. On the next page, enter your registered email for XM. Once done, click on Reset. You'll receive an email sent to you with instructions on how to complete the process of resetting your password. Go open up your email inbox. Click open the email from XM where it says Password Reset Request and click on this Click Here link. You'll be taken to a new page where you can enter a new password. Enter the password including the criteria given underneath and re-enter the password once again in the next field. Once the passwords in the both boxes matches, click on Reset at the bottom. You have successfully changed or reset your password. Now enter your new password in the password field in the login page and finally click on Login at the bottom and you'll be able to log into XM with the newly updated password. So there you go. That is how you reset your XM account's password using the XM mobile application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.